Basically, for me, being an actor, being an artista in this industry is basically to inspire. Kumbaga, the fame, the money comes second. That's not the priority. It's how you project yourself to other people to be a good example.
So, exactly, specifically what do you want to share with your fans? Like, what kind of values do you want them to learn from you?
I want them to learn the essence of sharing, regardless of what you have. Kasi I've been seeing a lot of people, parang their test na papanood natin sa Facebook, yan, yung gumagawa sila ng social experiments. Parang there's this, magte-test sila ng mga tao na regular, na eat 3 times a day. Tapos, they will magsiset up sila ng isang tao to ask for something. And then, ang damot, parang in a way, yung ibang mga tao is ang damot. And then, magugulat ka na yung wala, kung sino yung wala, yun yung nagbibigay. Kasi they know, they give not because they have many, but they know how it feels to have nothing. So parang sharing is caring. Parang if you share, regardless hindi naman, ang sharing naman hindi lang material things You can share your time, you can share your happiness to anyone. Kumbaga, as long as we think of one another, parang the Philippines will be a better place.
Thank you.